Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back again to my channels. Into this video guys, I have a Dior unboxing for you. So I think this is my first year unboxing of the year. It's not the bag, it's in the beauty section, and I saw this one that Irene is unboxed this item, and so I said to myself, oh my god, one of that items is the best. So I show you guys what I'm talking about. So I already opened the bags, and there it is. And this is from Lunar Blooming collection from Dior. And let's put this set aside for now. Put the bags in here. So yeah, this is we call Lunar Blooming, something like that. And this is the receipt and return slip as well. So let's put that one. And of course it's almost Chinese New Year, so the ribbon is red. Look how beautiful it is. This is my first time receiving a red ribbon like this. Oh, it's so nice. Let's open now guys. Oh, probably use something in this. It's really nice ribbon. So there it is. This is what it looks like as usual. Your stickers always so cute. So this is the blooming bouquet. So there is, and show you that the sample that I asked for. I asked a sample for this their collection of perfume that is really smells good. I received this one as well, and this is the name, the one that I picked. It's really hard. Oud Ispahan. So that's the one. And what else over here? Another Dior perfume, small size. And I want to try their newest foundation. This is Forever 24-hour no transfer high protection foundation. It has SPF 20 of this, and my shade is actually number 3N. And I want to try this one. This is a sample size, so it's really nice, like a navy blue packaging or black packaging inside. So let's set that aside, and now let's open what I have. So the packaging of the year, it's so beautiful. It's tiger and flower everywhere, and it has parrot in here. It's beautiful packaging. I think Chanel as well have a good, and also Louis Vuitton is a good their Lunar Christmas New Year collection. It's really nice. I saw that one, the twilly, all the bandu that I like in there. So yeah, let's open it. Oh my god, the box, the box and another box is the same one. Look at this beauty guys. They are actually, I have mine over here. This one I really like to collect. This one, it's nice to collect. Look at this baby over here. I wish this one has a handle as same as this one. So I'm keeping this just to you know, display in your makeup room or filming room. It's really nice to have that. And this one as well, I think it's the same thing. You just open it. Yep, just open like that. The one that I got is this Miss Dior Blowing Bouquet, and this is, I think, the full size. This is what it looks like guys. It's really nice. I love their perfume anyway, Miss Dior. I have that one. Actually, every time I have samples, I always pick this one, but this time because I have so many sample size, so I tried the Dior one because Before the Dior one, I don't really care the scent, but I will try this time because that one is very, very strong. So it comes with this. For this Lunar New Year edition, Dior invites you to a new blooming universe inspired by an 18th century archive fabric. Let's have a note in here. That's quite really big. I pay for 111 pounds for this, and the size is quite big. Let me see what size for this. If I try to open it, it won't let me open. Okay guys, I don't know how to open this. It's just so strange that it won't open. Anyway, yeah, I'm trying to look the size. Oh, okay, it's in the back of the bottle that you can see. It is a 100 ml. Yeah, this inside, but you can see right away it's 100 ml. So full size for this of a perfume. And not only that guys, one thing I get that one as well because of this brooch right here. Look at that. Isn't she pretty? Because the brooch in Chanel and Dior, it's quite expensive. This one is just free. This is free guys. I'm not sure is this one is, it's like a plastic or paper attached with this, but it's really nice to, you know, to put in your shirt. I have a plain white shirt that need to have a brooch, but every time I look into Chanel or any other brooch, like, do we really need to spend that money for a brooch and a display? So that's why I always do a twirly to make a statement of my white shirt, so at this doesn't look so plain. But I'm glad that I got this, that I can add this one on my white shirt. And this one over here guys, it says CD, stand for Christian Dior, and that one is stand over here. I wish I wear the white shirt that I'm talking about, but if I wear this guys, I will take up pictures and post this one in my Instagram. I will probably leave it like that. I don't want, because this one is too thick and it has a name around it, so I don't want to be too much. So yeah, I cannot wait to put this one as a on my shirt. So actually this, it's like a plastic guys. It's not really let me put this away. It's not really good quality brooch, but hey, this is, it has a CD in here, Christian Dior. It's nice to display or put it this one on your shirt to make a statement. So look at that, it's so cute, isn't it? So there you go guys, that's it for my unboxing today, and thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.